I've ordered the drop down kit for the sump. Got most of the oil seals and the associated parts. So I'm gonna hit that. I need to wait for my mate to finish work, and then once he's clocked out, in a sense, we're gonna use his garage to do what's necessary. So we're gonna drop the sump down, have a little inspection, because I believe it's gonna be nasty, but you never know. It's done 106,000 miles, so it's gonna be a lot of filth. Hopefully not, but nonetheless, I don't want to take the chance. Get it repaired, have a look, and take it from there. Actually, let me show you all the goodies I've ordered. Well, this is the complete oil pan sump removal kit, or drop down kit. It consists of original GM oil filter, long life, and the sump washer and the O-rings for the oil pickup pipe from the sump, and 2 other O-rings for possibly associated to the air filter. And it's got genuine Saab oil pressure switch, and the pipe that goes from the sump to the oil separator, which is at the back of the block, and I believe it fits something like that. Now I searched high and low to find a sump gasket, oil pan gasket, sump gasket, and I was unable to find anything such as that. It's strange, it's bizarre why there isn't one available. I find it so weird. So this had to do. It's the only thing I found that is approved by Saab. It's expensive and it looks complicated to work with. Now the oil I have an issue with because it's too thin. I don't think any engine that's covered 160,000 miles should be using the original OEM oil. That should be stating 10W40. However, I've been told this is the oil to use on these cars because it has to be fully synthetic, as they are sensitive to oil. Now I've got the oil pump O-ring and I've got the crankshaft seal. It's all German parts, and this is the only one that was OEM, didn't come with a casing, but the rest is all, as you could see, German or Swedish parts. I will be underneath the vehicle in the next hour or so. Once I'm there, you'll see how it looks, how bad it is. Here we go, underneath the vehicle. Yeah, it's definitely come. Oh, the leak's like from up there. And that's what you smell when the cat gets up. Oh, I see what you mean, the subframe. You have to raise the car a bit, isn't it? Oh, to raise the engine.
It's coming from further up. It's not coming from the sump, dude. It's coming from further up. Look at it from this side, at the back of the block.
Oh shit, yes.
And it's just accumulating down the bottom.
It's that little hose, isn't it?
Well, I don't know. It looks like it's coming from further up. I don't think it's the sump.
I think you're right. Yeah, it looks like it's coming from...
It's definitely coming from above. Let's drop it down and have a look from the top.
Doesn't look too bad. That's my bod job of the exhaust because it's slightly out. That will fix soon. That was my earlier project. Not too bad at all. So far so good. Also. Let me zoom out. Oh, sorry. That's due to the crankshaft seal and possibly the oil pump seal. Not a nice sight. Otherwise. So we found out what it was. It was an oil switch, which you can't really see, but it's somewhere down there. And now, after a good cleaning, you can't see it too well, can you? Yeah, so difficult to see. But that's sorted now. And it does look so much cleaner. No oil, no gunk, no shit. Yeah. Is that a... Oh wow, yeah, you can see that actually. There's no...
It's all build up around here. It's
yeah.
going even around the crank.
Oh wow, you smashed it. So much more cleaner.
So now it'll be easier to see.
Identify, yeah.
If it does leak, then you know.
Yeah, boy.